Are the following triangles congruent? Write the 3 congruence justification statements, the triangle congruence statement, and the justification for why they are congruent or not. So in this situation, we have a pair of corresponding sides that are congruent. So with one tick mark. So we have side AB is congruent to side XY. And we also have 2 pairs of corresponding angles. So angle B with 1 tick mark is congruent to angle Y with 1 tick mark, and angle A with 2 tick marks is congruent to angle X with 2 tick marks. And we'll see here that the pink side in both triangles is in between the 2 pairs of congruent angles. It's included in between them, so it's in between the orange and blue angles. So in this situation, we see that the pattern we're following for triangle congruence is going to be angle, side, angle, where this side is included between the angles. So when I'm writing my justification statements, I can write it as angle, side, angle, where the side is in between the 2 angles. Again, we don't need to write it in this order, but we like doing this to help keep our organization in track. So we can talk about angle B with 1 tick mark is congruent to angle Y. Now remember, we want the vertex in the middle. So we can say angle A, B, the vertex C. So the vertex B is in between. So let's write that again. So if the vertex is B of this angle, we want to say angle ABC, where B is in the middle, is congruent to angle XYZ, where the vertex Y is in the middle. Now I want to talk about my pair of sides that are congruent. So we can say line segment AB is congruent to line segment XY. So the sides that have 1 tick mark, so AB corresponds with XY. And then lastly, the side with 2 tick marks is we have angle A congruent to angle X. So remember, we want A in the middle of the vertex, so angle CAB is congruent to angle X to ZXY, where we want X in the middle. So now we have our 3 congruence justifications. And we know that if we have angle, side, angle, this is enough to say that our triangles are congruent. So we can now name that our triangles are congruent. So I can say triangle CAB is congruent. So if we go C, then A, then B, we need to start with Z, then X, then Y. So triangle CAB is congruent to triangle ZXY, and our reasoning is by angle, side, angle. So we have our triangle congruence statement, and we have our justification.